welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be creating this very cute boho Marley twist look. So let's get right into it. Alright guys, so we're going to be starting off with freshly washed and blow dried hair. I will be parting my hair in 3 large sections across my head horizontally, and then I'll be doing each row vertically down my head. So the hair I'll be using is this Lulu Tress 3x Afro Twist hair. It's in 24 inches in the color 1B. I also use a pack of Bohemian Curl and as well as Gem and Edge Booster to help me with my parts. So to do each twist, I started with a braid. I split my own hair into 2 sections, and then I combined my piece of hair with one of the pieces of the hair extensions and use my other piece of hair as the third part to the plait, and then I plait down a little bit and then I twist down. When I get to a certain section, I then added in the curly crochet hair so that the bottoms of the twist would be curly. So the way I'm twisting these twists, I take the hair in between my fingers and I roll the hair and twist. So you roll, twist, roll, twist. So here you can see where I'm actually braiding in the extension hair, and that I have a singular piece of hair left out as my third leg to the plait. I also use Jam when I am first putting the extension in, and I put the edge booster on the rest of my hair so it doesn't curl up. When I bring the twist to the front, I roll that third piece of hair into the extension, so I just have 2 sections, and I take those 2 sections and I roll, twist, all the way down until I get ready to add in the curly piece of crochet hair. And you guys be able to see a lot more in detail when I get to the front section of my head in just a second here. Yes, we have finally moved into the light, and we are now working on the front section of my head. So here you can see now that I have 2 pieces of my own hair. When I am plaiting in, I leave my own third piece of hair out as the third leg, and then when we get ready to twist, I combine it with the extension hair and I roll it in between my fingers and then I twist. So in this front section, I was using 16-inch Afro twist hair. I ran out of the 24-inch, even though I had 3 packs of the 3x pack. So you'll see me feeding in Afro twist hair here in the front. So you just feed it in like the curly crochet hair. You just add it in, you twist it, you roll it in between your fingers, you twist down. If you have to add more because you want it longer, you just add in the piece of hair, roll it between your fingers, and continue to feed it in until you get it to the length that you want it. And then here is me feeding in the curly crochet hair. I have Jam on my fingers. I roll the hair between my fingers and then just twist down. It's so simple to add in hair when you're doing twists. So now I'll show you securing my hair at the end. I just do a single knot, and I do it a couple times. So I just take a small piece of hair, wrap it around my index finger, and then pull the hair through to do a knot. And I typically do it like 2 to 3 times. Alright guys, so we're almost there. We're almost to the finish line. You guys tell me, how many twists or braids do you think is left in these 2 sections? Comment down below. So you'll see me here parting my hair. I mean, it's not the straightest, but we're going for a boho look, a more natural kind of messy look. So the straightness of the part does not apply here. We do whatever we want. Alright, so back to it, we are braiding in hair. So I just wanted to mention that I like braiding in the top of my twist because it's the most secure way for me to do it. I know how to braid it in, so that's why I do it that way. Of course, you can do the twisted method, or you can do like the rubber band crochet method. I just think for me this is the most secure way, and I don't have to worry about doing rubber bands at the top and have to worry about taking the rubber bands out when I'm taking my hair down. So here you see me fiddling around with the curly crochet hair. I'm just trying to pull it down and adjust it so that one piece hangs lower than the Afro twist hair. And then I start twisting it in all the way down until I secure the end. Alright, so the next 2 minutes will just be me showing you how I do one whole twist beginning to end with the music. So if you want to skip forward, I would advise you to skip to 10 minutes and 46 seconds. But if you like me, you enjoy watching people do their hair while I do my own hair, enjoy the sweet sounds of the music and watch as I do one whole twist from beginning to end. And the answer to the question earlier is I had 7 braids left, so I did 3 on the first row that I had parted out and then 4 on this last row. I like my part that I typically do on the side of my head to be a little bit more fuller, so that's why I did 4 twists instead of 3. So yeah, we are finally almost in. Just watching this back, I can see the excitement that I had. So we're at the last braid now. That's the last braid dance, girl. This process took me about 6 to 7 hours. The first day I did about 3 hours of twisting. The last day I did about 3 to 4 hours of twisting. I took a bunch of breaks in between because I can't sit for so long because it hurts my back. So that's about how long it took me. I would also say if you guys pre-part your hair to begin with, that would probably knock at least like an hour and a half off. You could probably get this style down to about 3 to 4 hours because the parts are not super small and neither are the twists. So you definitely can do it in less time. Of me doing these very cute twists. If there's any other styles you guys like for me to do, just comment below. If you have not already, please hit the subscribe button, and if you could please hit the like button because it helps other people to see this useful content from my channel. Until next time, bye guys.